Are we on? Okay, serious. Welcome, everybody. Marcus Integrative Dental Care. I am Dr. Alfred Marcus. Welcome to our Fun Fact Friday. Before I get started, I want you to stay tuned to the very end of this broadcast, as that's what it's called, Stephen. But you got to stay to the end because you're going to find out how you can win bleaching kits. That's right, bleaching kits, but you got to stick to the end. Yep, I got you. I'm hooking you. But I want you to listen. I think it'll be fun. I have an announcement at the end, too, that I want to do. We're going to change our format of Fun Fact Friday. My goal is to make it informative, to make it practical, present practical information that you can use. And I also want it to be fun, and I want you all to participate. So stay tuned. The end of this broadcast, I'm going to give you details, and there's going to be prizes and whatnot that you can possibly win. So today's topic, you don't have to floss all your teeth. For that matter, you don't even have to brush all your teeth. That's right. That's what I said. You don't have to floss. You don't have to brush. It's totally up to you whether you do it or not. And I'm going to tell you, you don't have to. Well, let's think about that. I think I'm setting myself up for dental prison, dental execution. So let's clarify that. You don't have to floss all your teeth. You don't have to brush all your teeth. Just the ones you want to keep. There you go. Does that make more sense? Sorry, little humor there, but that's the reality. So why do we floss? Why do we brush? Let's talk about brushing and flossing. Well, it's obvious we want to prevent tooth decay, right? Everybody knows that. Everybody knows that. You got to get rid of the bacteria, get rid of the sugars, get rid of all the stuff that gets stuck on your teeth. That way you don't get cavities. What happens if you get cavities? You get holes in your teeth. What happens if you get holes in your teeth? You can possibly develop infection. And that's no fun. You can get a toothache, teeth can break. It can be difficult to bite, to chew. If it's a front tooth, it doesn't look good. Just so many different things. Common sense. Got to keep your teeth clean. Take that bacteria off of your teeth so you don't get tooth decay. But what else are we not talking about? Well, there's a thing called gum disease, which really in my mind is maybe even more critical. What's the big deal? What's the deal with gum disease? Well, it definitely can affect your general health, and we have to be aware of that. As a matter of fact, most adults develop, at this very moment, maybe about 94% of all adults have at least gingivitis, inflammation of the gum tissue. And inflammation of the gum tissue is not normal. And inflammation is the start of periodontal gum disease. Roughly about close to 50% of all adults over the age of 35, more or less, will have periodontal gum disease. That's where you start losing bony support of the teeth. In essence, the bone starts to dissolve. You can have perfectly healthy teeth with no tooth decay, and you can lose them. So if you look at individuals over 65 years of age, probably a good 95% of individuals will have gum disease. So it's very common, very, very common. The key is to control it. Now, why do we want to control it? Well, it's involved with all kinds of things. In fact, studies are showing us that if you brush less than twice a day, you're up to 65% greater probability of developing dementia. Isn't that interesting? It's also scary. Gum disease has been associated with dementia, with Alzheimer's, and of course we know that It can affect us as far as our heart's concerned, diabetes, and on and on and on. So, the bottom line, do you need to brush your teeth? Do you need to floss your teeth? In actuality, I think it's pretty obvious. You should, but again, it's certainly up to you. So, now, for the moment you've been waiting for, how do I win a chance to win bleaching kits? The moment you've been waiting for. Okay, let's try it again. The moment you've been waiting for. There you go. You got to get a new prop, man. All right, so let's talk about it. I have a vision as far as what we're going to be doing. I'd like to do information that I think you all can use, and when you share, when you like us, whether it's on Facebook, Instagram, or whatever, you share us, you like us, you'll be entered into what's going to happen is there's going to be a roulette wheel that comes up here with your name. It's going to spin and it'll stop on the name. If it stops on your name, then you are a winner. What are those prizes going to be? Well, this first time around it's going to be some bleaching kits. So provide us with your name, provide us with your, like us, share us, and then send us a little note that says that you did so. And then also do me a favor, tell me what you want to hear, what do you want us to talk about. And if you do that, you will be entered and have a chance to win the prize. Well, for this time, like I said, it's bleaching. What other prizes are we going to have? Well, we're going to have maybe toothbrushes, electric toothbrushes, maybe coupons. I think on Father's Day we're thinking of doing like a barbecue grill. How about that? Barbecue grill. Who knows what it'll be? Maybe it'll even be a pack of tortillas. Don't get excited, Stephen. But you like that one, huh? So anyway, there'll be all kinds of things. And but you got to like us, you got to share us, you got to send us a message telling us what you want to hear, and then you will be entered. Next Friday, we're going to have the live drawing. As soon as we get that roulette wheel thing figured out, it's going to come up here or up here somewhere. It's going to come up with your name, and there'll be several winners. We'll do that, and then we'll announce what the next prize is going to be. I'm Dr. Alfred Marcus with Marcus Integrative Dental. Please follow us. Please like us. Please do whatever you're supposed to do in social media. I don't know what it is, but Dr. Alfred Marcus, thank you.